welcome back to another episode of Wet and Wild Workshop, where we bring you hunting and fishing from South Jersey. We're here at Glasstown Brewery doing some smoking. We got kielbasa, venison, sausage, some pheasants, and hopefully pretty soon some scallops wrapped in bacon. Has 1, 2, 3, 4 racks. This is I'm using this as a drip pan for grease and whatnot when you're smoking. Put your wood chips in the center, fill the outer ring with water, and turn her on. Let it get up to temperature, and then we start smoking. We're going to get it up to 225. No less than 225. Using hickory wood chips today. Soak them for at least 2 hours. No less than 2 hours. It's always recommended that you, when you light your smokers, you have the doors open. That way you don't have any gas buildup. Propane's on. And it's lit. Close the doors. And now you get your racks ready. I got some venison, kielbasa, and sausage. Take your deer that you shoot, your harvest, and run it up to the Amish or Mennonites, and they'll fix this stuff right up for you. I don't know if it's all going to fit. So the first two were brats. This is apple maple. And let's see, they made these sweet Italian.
Sweet Italian.
I don't know what the mixture is. I don't know what the blend is. You're going to do one rack at a time. Next we have pheasant. I think we'll do pheasant breast. Or maybe the whole pheasant. You choose. What do you want? You want breast or? Yeah, and I got marinades for that. I'm sorry, not marinades, but glazes.
Jackson down. So what is that?
That is pheasant breast. 3 pheasant breasts. Let me get a brush here and I'll brush some stuff on it.
Say it again.
We're gonna lightly glaze the pheasant breast with some honey chipotle glaze from Terrapin Ridge Farms. It's good stuff. And just like any poultry, you don't want to mix tools, stuff. I just put it on a plate. Get a brush. Just get a cheap chip brush, 65 cents. Brush it on. You go light and go heavy, however you want. It's yours. Okay. That's that. What am I doing? Need another set of hands. Got a little stick in it. That's all right.
What we got next?
Whole pheasants. Of course, the bird dog wants to play with the pheasants.
Yeah, he knows what they smell like.
Hi. Hi, Jen.
Hi.
Stand them up. Stand them up. Get them on your rack. Somehow they'll stay. hopefully.
So what did you marinate those in?
Looks like blood from the pheasant.
Oh, that was just blood? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We'll edit that out.
Okay. And now I have, looks like some mango, island style mango sauce and marinade. Another good stuff. Ah, good stuff. Here's another plate. Dump some out. Almost looks like a duck sauce. And again, put it on however you want, thin, thick. I'm going to go heavy. And it's going to take roughly 3 hours for these to smoke at 250. There you go. All the sausage and kielbasa we're going to leave alone. We're not going to put anything on them. They're good the way they are. Let's check our temperature. Check. Ready? I'm gonna do Do we leave the glove on or take the glove peek. off? Quick peek.
Okay.
Oh yeah, they ain't done yet.
Whoa! Hello.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, it's looking real good. Mm-hmm. So we're going on 3 hours now. Let me check the time. Yeah, going on 3 hours. Got another half hour to go. We got 2.5. We're going on 3 hours. Oh, that's hot. Everything looks good. We did a quick peek. Checked it with the thermometer. Getting there. Temperature's back up. Wind's died off. It's starting to cool down. We're doing good. Good so far.
It's open at the bottom?
Yeah, so you know, it heats up that pan I showed you with the wood chips in the water.
Yeah.
All the heat.
I don't have. Looks like a damn mouse.
Good. Okay. So we have bacon wrapped scallops now. What we do is consolidate it in a smoker. We put the breast with the whole pheasants. And we're going to put these on the rack. These are going to go for 45 minutes to an hour. Bacon wrapped scallops. They look good. They look good already. Just going to line them up. I'm using some thin gloves here, but I won't use these. I won't have them on when I put it back in the smoker. I know what you're thinking. They're all not going to fit. We'll make them fit. Oh, there's plenty of room. You can eat scallops raw too, from what I understand. Look at that. Nice. The room to spare. Spread them out a little more. We'll let the smoke get through there. I don't know if I can grab it with this. Yeah, you can. We're good. Set it right on the middle. Middle. Down. There you go, sir. Nope, there went my glasses. There you go. Put them in for 45 minutes to an hour. Time check. Anybody? Pull the sausage off, and it's got a nice little smoke ring going on in there.
It definitely does.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, you bet.
Yep. Looks good. Looks good. And that was 3 hours. We'll get some what do you call it? Some dipping sauce. Or just eat it
Or
plain.
just do it like this.
Yeah. Eat it plain. Looks good. I want this one right here. A nice little ring there.
That's good. And it's lean.
It's hot. Really lean.
It's nice and lean.
I think I have shell on mine. It's crunchy.
That was very good.
No, it's good. Very good. Yeah, I'll take the breast out.
But I'm pretty sure Oh yeah, those are done.
Over paper. The Lone Ranger's cousin's horse's name was?
Victor.
Damn it. Everybody knows that.
Everybody knows that.
Yeah.
That's good.
Keith didn't know it.
Name the great characters in American literature.
That's it.
You just said it was smoked chicken.
Yeah.
Of course, it's got a little hint of
I got forks.
it's got a little
I
hint of
plate.
it's got a little hint of scallops to it.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oops.
Be careful of pellets.
Oh yeah, I forgot about pellets. You won. One thing, folks, is don't forget to spray the racks with like a Pam, something that's non-sticking, and you can see the kibasi and the sausage up there. Venison sausage is turning nice and brown. Scallops. Ah, I'm losing a bird.
No one cares about the.
Yeah, nobody cares about the bird.
Everybody cares about that.
Scallops. That's gonna work. Somebody chew on this?
Nah, I pulled it apart.
Okay. Save this for Jack.
You could take those breasts and like you could make like a pheasant salad, egg like a chicken salad, but instead it would be.
I found a bone.
See, I know because when I was trying to cut through it, I could feel that.
Oh, good. All right, so we're gonna pull up some kibasi or venison. Got a nice little fire going on out here. Hey, if you guys need a beer, go on inside. Have you been inside?
I'm gonna take the whole rack
Yep,
out.
the whole rack. Well, the whole slew of them.
Okay.
Oh. Good.
Nice. What's this guy's deal?
He's just got his permit.
This one looks very juicy.
Yeah, he just got the bike.
Yeah.
Yeah. You'll find one. It's an maple apple.
I feel like that was the one we had the first time.
No.
No?
That was I think that was the brats.
I thought I tasted maple in it.
You did?
Thought I did.
I didn't taste any maple.
No?
That was your beer.
Yeah, it was the scallop juice.
Nah.
Well, no, wait a minute. These are on top.
No, these are on top. Well, you're going all in.
Mm-hmm.
Which one's that?
Is that right?
Yeah.
All right.
You really?
Is that what we're doing? Just grab
That's
it in
not
half?
good.
Here, that
Yeah.
one you can
Or
slice up,
slice them
brother.
up. And when choosing plasticware, try to get something that's a little stiffer than these things.
Plastic.
Yeah. I'm like folding this stuff in half now. It does have a nice ring to it. And I don't mean telephone ring. What? That's awesome. The moon and a planet. You feel
Oh, look at that.
Donna? Moon and a planet? Uranus. Oh. We'll start over again. All right, guys, time to get the scallops off. Bacon wrapped scallops. They've been on there for roughly 55 minutes. At 250, and they look spectacular.
Oh yeah, they do.
Oh my God, they smell. Oh, very good. All right, we're going to look forward. Try to do this without burning my fingers, Keith.
Okay. Look at that. Beautiful smoke color to them. They still have their.
Oh my God, hot or oh my God?
Oh my God.
Like they still have. They still. so tender.
Oh my God.
Very good. Very good, guys.
Hell yeah.
Still rolling?
That's good.
So we definitely answered the question. Can you smoke a scallop?
Yes, you can. Yes.
Like that's the perfect temperature for.
All right, guys. We did some pheasant. We did some kibasi, venison sausage, bacon wrapped scallops, and we did it all in like 3.5 hours. And everything's perfect. Everything's good. Very good. Get yourself some good beer. Come on out to Glasstown and smoke some stuff. Smoke some game. Have fun with it. Have a blast. See you guys next time. It's Wet and Wild Workshop. Have a nice day. Yes.